Yo, 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 what up, YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some guys may know me as ZZ, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now, and as you can see right now, we have a BIOS update. So as you can see right there, try to get this thing as bright as I can get. Let me try to focus that one here. I know it's kind of, screen is kind of bright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this from up top and let's bring it down below. So let's switch this so you guys can get a little better look, because this thing is real bright. Okay, and let's kind of zoom that in for you guys. I'm sorry if the thing is like real bright. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this right now. What you want to do is go to legiongo.com. I'm sorry. You want to just go to Google and type in Legion Go 2 drivers, and you should pop up. I know it's like real bright. I normally have my brightness set to certain things, but I apologize for that. But the only way for me to show you guys is to basically do it like this, so you guys can see it a little bit better right here. So here's the BIOS stuff right here. We're going to click on it and install it. I got my dock, everything set up right here, so we're just gonna run that. So it might actually switch it from here. It might just go up to here. So I'm sorry if you guys, if the screen is a little too damn bright. There's nothing I can do about that. Let's turn on the brightness on my camera. So here we go. Click next, next, next. As you can see right there. Trying to get this thing to focus in. And it should start. Most likely it should switch over down to the bottom. So as you can see right now, it just resetted itself. And you guys already know, anytime I do a BIOS update, I stay quiet, let it do its thing. And normally I will either talk or whatever, but I'm just gonna mute this thing and let this thing do its thing. So this BIOS update installed some shit on here that I pretty much is never going to use. So we got a new quick note. I don't know what the hell that is, but I noticed that it installed some new stuff on towards here. So we got a user's guide here, PowerPoint, Outlook. So I'm gonna have to Word. I'm gonna have to remove a lot of these things on here because I don't use any of that. So this update does install blood work. What's a blood work? Blunt work on here. So you want to get a lot of useless apps and stuff on here. So I'm gonna have to spend some time deleting some of the stuff that it just installed, and it just tells you what's new on here. So PowerPoint. I don't think I ever used PowerPoint, but I'm gonna just delete a lot of these right here. I'm gonna delete this. Delete this. Let me see. Yeah, it seemed like it added a lot of stuff on here. I don't even know what half of the stuff is. We got this Outlet. I thought Outlook. I thought I deleted a lot of this stuff on here. Word. All right, everything looked like it's fine. Let's go to us. I'm not gonna go to our settings right here because I don't want to show my information on here. But it looked like everything is running fine. GPU is running fine. Stable. Everything looked like it's running good. And yeah, that's just the BIOS update right there, guys. So I'm going to rewatch this video and try to look at what we were saying about the app data, just so I could go into the file and see exactly what it said, because it showed me some errors and stuff on here. But I'm noticing that it popped up a lot of programs on here that I don't use. I don't use PowerPoint, Outlook, put what link to go, I don't know, user's guide, Word. I don't even think I ever used Word on here, so I'm just gonna uninstall it because it's just useless things that's on here that I am never going to use. So I'm gonna just get rid of that. And that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the BYZ gang, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.